The journey from a planetary civilization to a Type 2 civilization, a society capable of harnessing the full energy of its star, is nothing short of extraordinary. According to advanced AI projections, humanity stands on the brink of this transformation within the next few centuries, propelled by rapid technological innovation, interstellar ambition, and global cooperation. The AI, analyzing energy consumption, technological growth curves, and social trends, predicts that this transition will mark a pivotal turning point in human history, one that will redefine civilization itself. Initially, the path to Type 2 status begins with planetary mastery. Humanity must first perfect sustainable energy systems on Earth, eliminating dependence on finite resources and minimizing environmental impact. Solar, fusion, and geothermal technologies converge into a unified energy grid that provides near-limitless power. AI systems manage distribution with precision, ensuring that energy is available where needed while avoiding waste. Cities evolve into intelligent networks, with buildings and infrastructure designed to store and channel energy efficiently. Humanity learns to live not in conflict with nature, but in harmony with it, laying the foundation for expansion beyond the planet. Next comes the construction of megastructures designed to capture the energy of the sun itself. The AI predicts the development of Dyson swarms, millions of solar-collecting satellites orbiting the star, feeding power back to Earth and other colonies through advanced transmission systems. These structures will be built incrementally, starting with automated factories in orbit, mining asteroids for materials, and deploying self-replicating robotic assemblers. Humanity's role is increasingly strategic, coordinating large-scale projects, making creative decisions, and managing the social and ethical implications of this unprecedented expansion. The first successful Dyson arrays mark the moment humans no longer rely solely on their planet for energy, stepping toward a civilization capable of stellar-scale influence. The AI also foresees dramatic societal changes accompanying this technological leap. With energy effectively infinite, scarcity becomes a concept of the past. Economies are restructured around knowledge, creativity, and collaboration rather than material accumulation. Global conflicts over resources diminish, replaced by cooperative projects that span nations and even planets. Education and research flourish, as no one is constrained by limited energy or materials. Humanity shifts focus from survival to exploration, art, and scientific discovery. The first manned missions beyond the solar system are planned not out of necessity, but for the pursuit of knowledge and expansion of consciousness. Yet the transition is not without challenges. The AI warns of unforeseen consequences. Ethical dilemmas about AI autonomy, the ecological effects of stellar-scale engineering, and the psychological impact of humans adjusting to a universe where power is nearly limitless. Social cohesion must be carefully maintained, as inequalities in access to advanced technologies could create new hierarchies. The AI predicts that humanity's success as a Type 2 civilization depends not just on engineering skill, but on wisdom, foresight, and the ability to cooperate across planetary and cultural boundaries. As humanity progresses toward Type 2 status, the AI anticipates an era of profound cultural and intellectual transformation. With energy scarcity eliminated, societies are free to prioritize long-term goals, philosophical exploration, and interstellar research. Cities become integrated nodes in a planetary and eventually interstellar network, their architecture optimized for both sustainability and efficiency. Education evolves into lifelong, AI-guided programs, ensuring that every individual can contribute meaningfully to civilization's growth. People are no longer constrained by survival. Their focus shifts to discovery, creativity, and collective problem-solving. The Dyson swarms expand steadily, eventually surrounding the sun in a web of energy collectors. Robotic assemblers mine asteroids, moons, and other celestial bodies, converting raw materials into functional infrastructure. Humanity begins constructing space habitats and orbital cities capable of supporting millions beyond Earth. These habitats serve as laboratories for experimentation, offering opportunities to develop advanced propulsion systems, test new forms of governance, and cultivate social systems on unprecedented scales. The AI predicts that the first successful orbiting cities will demonstrate humanity's capability to manage resources across immense distances, a critical step towards stellar-level civilization. Society itself adapts to this new reality. Traditional hierarchies lose relevance as abundance renders competition for resources obsolete. Instead, individuals are measured by contribution, creativity, and problem-solving ability. Global collaboration becomes the norm rather than the exception, as humanity faces challenges too vast for any single nation or group to solve alone. Ethical debates intensify, particularly regarding AI integration. The AI predicts that human-AI symbiosis will be crucial. Humans provide intuition, creativity, and moral judgment, while AI handles logistics, prediction, and large-scale coordination. Despite the promise of a limitless future, risks remain. The AI forecasts potential instability caused by over-reliance on automated systems and the psychological strain of living in a society with nearly infinite energy. Humans must navigate existential questions. How do you find purpose when material need no longer exists? How do societies maintain cohesion when conflict over resources is gone? Philosophers and leaders experiment with new governance models, blending human values with AI oversight to ensure stability and fairness. The AI also warns of external challenges. Stellar engineering projects carry risks to planetary stability, and expansion into the solar system could unintentionally disrupt ecological or orbital systems. Contingency plans are developed for natural and artificial disasters alike, ensuring that Type 2 civilization does not collapse under its own ambition. These predictive models emphasize resilience, physical, social, and ethical, making foresight as important as technical prowess in humanity's evolution. As humanity completes the transition to Type 2 civilization, the scale of achievement becomes almost unimaginable. Entire planets are networked into the energy grid, and orbital cities orbit the sun, interconnected through vast channels of power and communication. Humanity's footprint extends from the surface of Earth to the farthest reaches of the solar system, with Dyson swarms absorbing stellar energy to power interstellar exploration, research, and creation. The AI, acting as both guide and overseer, ensures balance between expansion and sustainability, maintaining harmony between human ambition and cosmic responsibility. The cultural evolution of civilization accelerates alongside technological advancement. With material scarcity eliminated, humans devote themselves to intellectual and artistic pursuits. Knowledge grows exponentially as civilizations share discoveries instantaneously across planetary and orbital networks. Philosophy, art, and science merge, creating a renaissance of creativity and understanding unmatched in human history. The AI predicts that this integration of human and machine intelligence will redefine consciousness itself, producing new forms of thought, empathy, and awareness. Yet even amidst these triumphs, challenges emerge. The vastness of space brings isolation, and the psychological impact of living across planets and orbital stations becomes a concern. Humans grapple with identity, purpose, and meaning in a universe where survival is guaranteed and energy is infinite. Ethical dilemmas intensify as decisions made on a cosmic scale affect entire populations, raising questions about autonomy, governance, and the role of AI in shaping humanity's destiny. The AI emphasizes the need for adaptable social systems and continuous moral deliberation to prevent stagnation or imbalance. Interstellar exploration becomes the defining pursuit of Type 2 humanity. Missions extend beyond the solar system, propelled by the energy harnessed from their star. Entire fleets of spacecraft, constructed from self-replicating nanomaterials, journey to distant stars to scout for habitable worlds, mine resources, and study the cosmos. Humanity no longer fears scarcity or limits. Curiosity and the drive to understand the universe become the ultimate motivations. As civilizations spread among the stars, they encounter new phenomena, challenges, and forms of intelligence, testing the adaptability and ingenuity of a species now capable of manipulating stellar power. Finally, the AI predicts that Type 2 civilization will mark the threshold for even greater evolution. With full control of stellar energy, humanity will gain the tools to reshape planetary systems, manipulate time and matter on unprecedented scales, and interact with the cosmos in ways once thought impossible. This transformation is not merely technological, it is existential. Humanity stands poised on the edge of cosmic maturity, ready to redefine life itself, guided by intelligence, wisdom, and the lessons learned from centuries of planetary stewardship. The journey from earthbound species to stellar architects embodies the limitless potential of human ambition when guided by foresight, cooperation, and knowledge.